Hello friends, this is Hannover Messe, the mecca of engineering, where a lot of innovations are launched for the global engineering industry. This year, 2023 at Hannover Messe, we found apart from the industrial products, there were a lot of digital manufacturing, artificial intelligence, new age manufacturing were displayed in different stalls. We were not able to cover completely in these 5 days because it was so huge, more than 4,000 exhibitors, which again people feel is less in numbers. They expect it to go more and more in the next year. So we are so proud to promote Indian manufacturing. The people who have exhibited from India here, as well as bringing some global technologies. So this is the place which we used to, people will go inside and go out every day, and that is the train station of Hannover Messe, from which people are going to the Hannover Messe, and from there they take a ICE, they take a S-Bahn, or take a flight back their home. We are very happy from Machine Maker that we were able to bring you regular updates. Stay tuned with us and share your feedbacks, how Machine Maker is doing, how we can improve ourselves, bringing the latest technologies about manufacturing. Thank you once again. See you. Be part of the voice of manufacturing. Thank you.